Hello and welcome back, my stylish friends. This tutorial is to help you with the pattern that I have, how to make a heart using Jasmine Stitch. When you start Jasmine Stitch, make sure you make one chain and then you make another chain on the top of this chain. This will prevent your original chain of being too loose when you're placing stitches in the center of your flower. I separated this instruction in 3 different parts because you will be making 3 different rounds. This might help you to focus on the most challenging round for you, and you don't need to see the full tutorial. Of course, you're welcome to watch all of them if that will help you. Also, if you are not familiar how to make a puff stitch, I do have a slow motion video on my channel, and I will leave the link below this video so you can practice first before start making these puff stitches together. To make 2 puff stitches together, you will make 1 puff stitch, but you will not complete this puff stitch. You will not pinch your yarn yet, but you will yarn over, just like that, and you move your hook to the next stitch. Once you complete 2, you will pinch your yarn, and then you move your yarn through all the loops, closing the puff stitch. So in this project, I'm making Jasmine Stitch, and Jasmine Stitch is combination of puff stitches, and I need to have 6 petals in the flower, and also I need to have 6 stitches around my flower. So to make this heart, I start with the red color yarn because I want my heart to be red. And as you see, I make already 4 petals in my flower. This will be my 5th one. And once I complete that, I will make 1 more. I have 5 petals, and my flower needs to be 6 petal flower. Okay, so let's finish. Now we will be changing the yarn color because our last stitch we wanted to be different yarn color. So once I do my 2 puff stitches, I have now 6 petal flower, and I have 5 stitches around. So let's change yarn color, and we will finish our 2 stitches together with the new color yarn. Just like that. You're pulling through all the loops and you closing the stitch. This top of the white yarn will be a little bit loose until you finish and hide the ends. But now what I'm making only 1 puff stitch. That will be my 6th stitch around my flower, and I'm placing my hook in the first stitch and closing my stitch. When you're closing each round, make sure you go back to slip stitch again to make this round very, very secure. You don't want your stitches to get loose. And I'm doing this with my red color yarn because I need to change my color. That's it for round number 1. I will see you in round number 2. Have a great day.